Namaste Gurukulian. I hope all of you are fit and fine. So today again we are here. Chapter 3rd Yoga and Lifestyle. It is part 7 of this chapter and it is of plus 2 class. In previous part we completed what is yoga, history of yoga or origin of yoga, parts of yoga like Ashtanga Yoga, Kriyas, what is asana, 3 type of asana, these kind of thing we completed. After that, general problems that people are facing nowadays because of their fast lifestyle, or we can say bad lifestyle, bad habits, that is diabetes, obesity, back pain, spinal curvature, these type of general problems. Or in last 3-4 parts we completed the obesity, what is obesity, and the asanas which we can do or we can prevent obesity through these asanas. That asanas were, I given you a trick, Vajrastrik Ardhasan, a simple name, Vajrastrik Ardhasan, Vajrasan, Hastasan, Urdhva Hastasan also name is there, and Trikonasana. Ardhasan means Ardh, Matsyendrasana, Ardh Adha, Mats fish, or that Indra, that Lord Indra, it indicate to Lord Indra. So that's why the name of this that asana is Ardh Matsyendrasana. Today we are going to the second one, general problem, which is very common in our society. So that is diabetes. Diabetes. Nowadays what happen? Cause of bad lifestyle, means a dull lifestyle, people become obese, or cause of that obesity, a problem they are facing, that is diabetes. Behind the reason of diabetes, that is one gland is there, gland, that is pancreas. Pancreas situated in posterior part. Posterior part means it is situated in the posterior area of our stomach. You know, stomach is there where that our rib cage is finished downward from the diaphragm. Same that stomach is there, or front side of the stomach, under, little bit under, or front side of the stomach, that pancreas situated. Pancreas. Work of pancreas is secrete insulin. Insulin, a hormone is there. That hormone control the level of sugar in our blood, means it will not go more than a situation is, or a norms are given by health organizations, that it is the common thing, we can say average level of insulin, average level of sugar should be in our blood. If it go more than average, that one also a problem of diabetes. If that is less than normal, on that time also we are facing the problem of diabetes. Both are under the category of diabetes, that is known as high blood sugar, or second one is low blood sugar. So work of pancreas is secrete the insulin in our blood. That insulin control the level of sugar in our blood. One more thing, behind this, 3 type of cells are there in insulin, that is alpha cell, beta cell, gamma cells. That beta cells are very important, they play a significant role in the maintenance of insulin. So it is the part which we talk about the pancreas. It is situated where it is situated, or pancreas it secrete the insulin or insulin control the level of sugar in our blood. Blood sugar, if there is high blood sugar, it is known as hyperglycemia. Hyperglycemia, it is known as when the level of sugar high in our blood. When low blood sugar, it is known as hypoglycemia. Hypo, here hyper when high level, here is hypo when level of sugar is low in our blood. Another one is sugar is in urine. Sometime what happen, the level of sugar this much increase that when we pass our urine, if we check, if we test that urine, that sugar particles, sugar is there in our urine, that is known as glucosuria. Glucosuria. Some symptoms are also there, like when a person having high blood sugar, on that time through when in urine also we can check there are the sugar in our blood. High thirst, प्यास हद से ज़्यादा लगना, high thirst, it is known as the polydipsia. Polydipsia. Hunger, that is known as polyphagia. High blood sugar, hyperglycemia, low blood sugar, hypoglycemia. It is hyper, it is hypo, that is the difference. Sugar in urine, that is glucosuria. High thirst, that is polydipsia. Hunger means polyphagia. These are the things we can say characteristics of the blood sugar. These all 5 things. Now, main type of diabetes. It's divided in 3 types. Generally, if you will check through internet, it is given that 2 types, type 1 or type 2, but type 3 is also given. It's occur in pregnant ladies, type 3. So type 1. Type 1 is insulin dependent. Insulin dependent. In this type 1 diabetes, what happen, that pancreas, that gland not secrete insulin. Means pancreas not secrete insulin. A individual depend on the source that he have to take insulin from outside. His body internal organ, that pancreas, is not producing the insulin. So, and type 2, insulin independent. One more thing, that type 1 diabetes, generally it's occur under the age of 20 year. Those people are under the age of 20 year, that type 1 diabetes mostly occur in that people. Under the age of 20 years, this happen in the in these type of people, means we can say young or adolescents mainly. Or one more thing, if we talk about the all over the world, so 10% patients we will found with suffering from the type 1 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes, an inherited variety that normally appear after the age of 40. Inherited, that is inherited variety that normally occur after the age of 40. After the age of 40 year, in which cells fail to respond insulin properly, that's happen, that is type 2 diabetes. Or in the world, if we found 90% people, if we talk about the total number of population, those are suffering from diabetes, type 10% we will found in type 1, or 90% people we will found those are suffering from type 2 diabetes, insulin independent, inherited variety that normally occur after the age of 40 because the cells are not responding properly. Okay. Or the main problem in this type of diabetes, type 2 diabetes, what happen, a person continuously doing his job, means suppose he have a sitting job in office, in the morning he go to the office or he sit the whole day 8 to 10 hours on a chair and then he come back to the home. So cause of this lifestyle, what happen, a person become obese, means motapa aa jata hai. Second one thing, the person who is doing these type of job, he is not doing physical activity properly, means he is not doing not properly, even he is not doing with his daily lifestyle, not indulge in physical activity. If a person having a obesity, means continuously he is taking the calories. Second one thing, the insulin, which insulin is secreted by pancreas in the blood, he is not using that glucose in his muscle through the activity. If he do physical activity, then body use that sugar which is in the blood as glycogen, means energy. But the person is not doing physical activity, cause of that glycogen, that glucose continuously rotating in the blood, or that level of glucose increase in the blood, that is known as the diabetes. It is also a reason behind that type 2 diabetes. One is the main reasons, that is obesity. Second one thing, less or no physical activity. Okay, these are the two things. Now type 3. Type 3. Type 3 is known as the gestational diabetes. It's occur when a pregnant lady without a history of diabetes suddenly develop high blood sugar. Means it's occur when a pregnant lady, specification is pregnant lady without a history of diabetes. Means in his history, if we talk about, she was not suffering from diabetes, but when during the pregnancy suddenly the blood sugar increase, that is known as the type 3 diabetes, that is gestational diabetes, or its effect is there on the metabolism of the individual, we can say digestive system. Symptoms. Symptoms of diabetes if a person having a high level of blood sugar in his blood. First one is glucosuria. I given you in the morning. Polydipsia. In the beginning I given, sorry, in the morning, in the beginning I given glucosuria or polydipsia. Polyphagia. Here sugar in urine, polyphagia, that is polydipsia. High thirst, sugar in urine, here hunger or appetite also. Fourth one, tiredness. A person who is suffering from high blood sugar, continuously he feel that he is tired. Continue after some time urine pressure. Okay, these are the common things. Tiredness, continue after some time, that urine pressure, frequently he will go for the passing urine, means after less time, that break, less break. Sixth one, stamina decrease, or cause of that blood sugar, its effect our nervous system also. Eighth one, blur vision. Blur vision. These are the common things, common symptoms when high blood sugar is there. So glucosuria, sugar in urine, polydipsia, high thirst, polyphagia, high hunger, tiredness, थकावट, continuously that a individual feel that he have to pass urine, that is also stamina decrease, the working capacity that he will feel fatigue, tiredness, so automatically that level of stamina decrease. It's affect our nervous system also. We can say we forgot the things, or blur vision, that properly the capacity of watching the things, that eyesight, it is also become weak. So these are the symptoms. So for today this much about diabetes. What is diabetes? You know, high level of blood sugar, three types of diabetes: type 1 insulin dependent, second one insulin independent, or third one type 3, that is gestational diabetes related to the pregnant lady. And we'll see you in the second part of this diabetes. Asanas, which asanas we can do for the prevention of diabetes, that is Paschimottanasana, Bhujangasana, Pavan Muktasana, or Ardha Matsyendrasana. Ardha Matsyendrasana is same as in obesity. So any trick you can make from yourself, or I will make also my trick, that which will help you to learn the asanas which prevent us from the diabetes. 4 asanas are there: Bhujangasana, Paschimottanasana, Pavan Muktasana, and Ardha Matsyendrasana. That we will do in the another part. Asan wise, in one part one asan we will do. So for today this much. We'll see you in the next part. तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्ते. Thank you.